Welcome to this episode of Andy's Road Trip, where we are going to look at an early Corgi model. The Chevrolet Astro 1 experimental car. We do see elements of flip-top headlights on this relatively, possibly Corvette-styled futuristic car. It's one of the earliest whiz wheels. The value of this piece is interesting because I belong to the New Jersey Diecast Collectors Club, as you know, and our meeting was held yesterday, December 10th, 2025. I walk in, I had $40 in my wallet, to be honest with you, because I didn't think I was going to buy anything. And I met my friend Bob, and he always has the most interesting things. Now, since we buy, sell, trade with each other, I paid $20 for this piece, which is a bargain. Come on, it comes with the box. Check it out on eBay. I would value it conservatively in 2026 at $80, including shipping, because it's dead mint. It's clever. When the top is closed, you know, it kind of looks relatively futuristic. But as you open the canopy top, the two seats emerge. The feature of this canopy roof that gently raises the two occupants. Apparently in the late 60s, the driver was a man in a white tuxedo, and he looked very grumpy. And his passenger was apparently a mermaid. You know, I gotta tell you, since it's never been out of the box and never been put on the treadmill, I think today is the day that we put it to the test.
Hey!
Whoa. Anyway, hang on.
Oh no!
Oh no. Oh no. Well, here we are. I hope you can see this. I will add photos here. But the plastic wheels, the whiz wheels, were dry rotted, and the testing ended prematurely. So the top speed comes in at 1.7 miles per hour, and it had to end there.